To add a folder to your Moodle course, follow these steps. First, turn editing on. Next, select Add a Resource and select Folder. Now this is a major upgrade from old Moodle or Moodle 1.9. I want to point out real quick that the folder, the file section in your settings block over here is now gone. You do not go into another section of Moodle and add folders and then add files to folders and that kind of thing. They've changed it to where you can add it directly to your course, which is a major convenience and nice upgrade. So let's take a look at how this works. First thing I'm going to do is name this folder. And I can name this PowerPoints, I can name this an activity, I can name this notes, whatever it is that I wanted. In this case, I'm just calling it sample folder. You can add a description here, and if you check this box, it will display in your Moodle course. For this purpose, I'm just going to copy and paste right here. Now, I've added, by simply naming this, I've added the folder. If I were to click, and I'll go ahead and do that, save and return to course, and not add anything to it, in Moodle it would give me a folder. Alright? And I click on the folder, and there happens to not be anything in it right now, but let's go ahead and add things to it. And it's really easy to do. I'm going to get back into edit mode. And from here, just like I did with my files, I'm just going to start to add. So I'm going to click add, upload a file, browse. Let's go ahead and add a PDF document. Let's add a PowerPoint. All right. Okay, now I've got my Moodle PDF, my Moodle PowerPoint. Now, if you've used 1.9 or old Moodle, you know that what I just did is a huge upgrade. It's a lot easier to do. So all I need to do at this point, if I've added all the content that I want, I can just click Save and Return to Course. And there's my folder. I'll click on my folder. And there are my documents. Right. Now, I wanted to show you another feature. Make sure you caught this. So I'm going to go back and edit this folder. I can actually create a folder within a folder right here. All right, so I can create folder, name this one, call this one Word Docs. Okay. I can then open this folder and continue the process. Unfortunately, I cannot add more than one document at a time. That would be a nice feature, but we're not there quite yet with Moodle. Okay, so I'm just continue to go back and add all the documents that I want. Alright. So I continue this process. I can add a new folder. I can continue to add documents as much as I want. You could, in theory, I guess, put all your H drive, everything into here. That's not recommended, but you could do that. Alright, when I'm done, click Save and Return to Course. I'm going to go ahead and turn editing off so you can see what this looks like in the user-friendly mode. I'm going to click Sample Folder. And notice here are my docs. These are the two I added initially. Then it's indicating that I have a folder called Word Docs, and in there I have my two documents here. And if I then wanted these documents, all I'd have to do is click on the item and click OK, and it would open up and all that good stuff. Now, if I'm a teacher and I go into my folder, I see this Edit button. If I click this, it's going to take me back to the previous screen, and I can continue to edit and add information. All right, take me back to a screen where I can continue to add documents and things of that nature. All right. Okay, so that's it. This is how to add a folder to Moodle 2.